Oh, Bubba, climbing the fence a little bit, huh, bud? Oh my, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, reach and get my camera.
We got the food. We're gonna throw it in. You ready to cast?
All right.
All right, here we go. Don't mess up.
Woo! Oh. Look at these tilapia. Look at the color of that. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Such pretty fish. Ooh! That is sick. Oh my, whoa, oh my gosh. All right, well, emus, those are one of my next animals I want to get for the farm. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We're here at my buddy Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch house. This place is beautiful. Look at little tortoises running from me right now. This is just incredible. I came to visit my boy Marty over here. Hey, Marty. That is the best bird I've ever seen or met in my life. Smash the like button if I should get a Marty myself. Hello again. You guys are so cool looking. Can't wait to get some of you. Are you guys leading me on the way to find the capybara? That's all I want to find. Look at all these African cichlids. That's what we're here to get today. Some of those, not in that pond though. The bigger pond in the back aviary. This pond is insane. Where are the otters? Oh my goodness gracious. Hi. Hi, bud. Oh, reach and get my camera. Can you get it? Can you get it? That is the coolest pets ever. Can you get it? Oh, 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 you almost got it. They're little tiny arms. Look at them, there they go. Whoop. Oh, wow, you got over there quick. Hey, buddy. Hey. You might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I love coming to Blake's house because I feel, oh, you're a little feisty little fella, huh? I would absolutely love to have otters. They're a little bit aggressive, but they are super cool pets. I would love to one day, at some point later down the road, make them an enclosure just like that and have otters, but who knows when that day may come. Emus are definitely before that. Marty. All right, we're here in the aviary where all the birds and ducks fly free with a net surrounding them. So not really free, but they're free.
You're right.
We have the cast net. This is the small, like I think it's 3.5, 4.5 foot cast net right here.
Perfect.
Blake's got a bunch of fish food.
Yep.
And we have a bunch of African cichlids. This is saving me a lot of money, so I appreciate you for that, you know.
No problem.
And instead, today we're gonna net our African cichlids. It's the same we would get from a pet store, but instead they're in an aviary at Blake's.
Just gotta say one thing. We have like vulture birds in here, so when we drop them on the floor, they're gonna grab fish and run with them. So if you see a pretty one, make sure you grab it and throw it in the bucket quickly.
Got it. We have our bucket here. It is a feed bin from the house that I never used yet. It works as a cooler.
They're the devils, Pinky and Poncho. All right, you ready? As soon as I throw, they're gonna hit right there quick. So you be ready too. We got the food. We're gonna throw it in. You ready to cast?
All right.
All right, here we go. Go for it.
Oh my goodness. Paul, don't choke.
Go for it. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Woo! You should have gotten some good ones. Not too many, but you got some in there. Bring it over here.
Paul, did you get none?
I think I caught one.
You got no. You got 3 African cichlids.
Oh, my bluegill.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those African cichlids.
Wow.
Bro. Wow.
Look at that big boy.
Dude, look at the size of that bluegill.
Yeah, they get fed well.
Look at those beautiful electric blue.
That looks like nice
So
right there.
pretty.
That, if you were to
Oh my
pan sear
goodness.
that thing,
Oh my.
All right, I'm gonna go toss this thing back in.
Oh my goodness. Check that out. Those are so pretty. 4.
How many did you get?
4.
Yeah, I feel comfortable with you throwing it right there. That's perfect.
That's good?
Yeah, yeah.
I won't net any of your turtles or
You're probably gonna get a turtle right
a
now.
melanistic gar.
Yeah.
Now! Now!
There's not even any fish.
It's the mark! They're to the right! They're down there, I see them. Oh
You got some in there. Oh, you got one?
Oh.
There's one right there.
Oh!
He's in the net.
It is so weird looking at an African cichlid in a cast net. Beautiful little fish right there.
There you go.
on,
I think you scared him off.
Head north, like a salmon.
I got another blue one. Look at this one.
That's a
Right
calico
here.
one. That's a good one.
Look at the colors.
Look at that.
Tilapia.
Whoa,
Nuggets.
whoa. Thing tasted real slimy. I didn't bite down or anything, but he just was in there. Not the best. Oh.
You son of a bitch!
Look at it.
Oh my god.
God.
Brenton is swimming in the pond. He's Michael Phelpsing it right now.
I'm gonna push him to the middle right now and you're gonna throw.
That was perfect.
You got him!
Yeah, I
Oh, I
smacked him.
fall on him!
I smacked him.
You got some big tilapias in there.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at that tilapia. That is one orange fish right there. That's for jumping in.
I was just trying to help.
Now let me tell you, that's one exotic fish right there.
I'm going back.
4 of them. Got 4 more.
Oh no,
over here.
five. That was a good throw. All right, so these little guys right here, as you can see, Paul asked me to scientifically explain them to the camera. So these are called black stenopolises. And pretty much what they do is they have this like electric current that they release in the water to scare away other fish. Yep, nice to add those to the family. Good job, Paul.
You got orange tilapia.
Yes, I got 3 orange.
Oh, you got some.
Yeah,
nice.
baby!
There you go.
Look at these tilapia. Look at the color of that thing.
Yeah, Paul, this is gonna cost you. I don't know if you're gonna be able to take this one. This is gonna be $100.
That one's
100 golden coin right here. Look at that thing.
That is beautiful.
That's a pretty one. Real nice one.
Bro, and this one.
2 beautiful.
We got
ones.
2.
That one's really light.
Look at that, super light one.
Real nice.
We got, of course, another couple blue ones, but this one is just top tier. Jeez,
You're lucky I like you, Paul. And there's a lot of fish in here.
I appreciate that, Blake. Look at a little split tail. Brenton, this one.
Let me see.
It just smells right.
Ooh.
I don't know what's wrong with these Texas
That's the one,
and
right?
North Florida boys, but something's up with them.
Fresh meat.
Their water's a little different.
That's a Galapagos cichlid.
You're good? You no more casting? You're
Yeah,
done?
that's good. They're gonna have so many babies in this pond. They're just gonna be in there. Look at those. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
We got 2 more. This blue one's beautiful, dude.
Real light.
Look at that. That's Avatar. The outcast of the group. I'm gonna name this one Brenton. I'm sorry. Dude, to be able to see these inside the see-through pond here in just a little bit is gonna be awesome. They're so pretty and they're gonna breed like crazy.
Oh yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you, Blake.
Yep, no problem.
Appreciate the bucket full of fish.
Anytime.
Super amazing. If you guys haven't checked out Blake's channel, I'll leave all the information down below in the description. Shout out to Blake for letting us come by and steal some fish. Now, let's head home. Now, this right here is exactly why I bought the new truck. It has so many more little differences to it. See that outlet plug right there? We got my aerator plugged in, and then I have the giant feed bin with this massive aerator, which will keep all the fish alive. So much longer than having like a little aerator bubbler thing. This is the way to go right here. And let me actually just take the aerator out of the water to show you. Look at that. There you go, buddy. There you go, Bubba. I love that coon so much. We'll take a big handful, throw them out there and let them find them later. So every time I go to Blake's house, Blake always gives me a bunch of like vegetables, fruits, whatever it may be, because he has so much donated to him. So I always come back with a little bit of treats for all the animals. Look at everyone waiting for me. Not only did we get new fish today, we also get to treat all of our pigs. Duke, wait your turn. Oh, you just straight up robbed that from him. Here you go. Mama Lulu. There you go, Lulu. That's my girl right there. There you go. There you go, Pua. Bambi, come here. Bambi, come here. There you go, Bambi. Twisty. Twisty. Yeah, Duke's gonna steal another one. No, Twisty, here. Take that, girl. There she goes. Chunky Monkey. That one's for you, girl. She got it. She's gonna run with it. So we'll just throw a bunch in here, make sure everyone gets carrot. Carrots are good for their eyesight, just like humans, I think. Lady May, you waiting on your carrot? Yeah, I got you a big old carrot. Here you go, goats. I don't know if the carrots are gonna get eaten by the goats. My goats might take like little bites, but they don't really like carrots. The ultimate dumpster here at the PC farm is this family of 11 pigs right here. They will eat anything. Oh, Bubba, climbing the fence a little bit, huh, bud? Yeah, that's my boy. He's climbing the fence, look at him. That was awesome. Maybe I could start training him to do that. Maybe I don't want him to do that. Start climbing stuff. Oh, Mia, look. Look at all the new fish, Mia. So we have a total of, I don't know how many, I guess we're gonna count here in just a second. New African cichlids going into the Fly River pond. If you don't know what a fly river turtle is, it's one of my new turtles that I've gotten recently. My dream turtle. It's a beautiful turtle. Let's go check him out. I've got a drip acclimating all of our new cichlids right now. Try to count, comment down below. How many? Inside of this pond, all we have is our Fly River. He's right there. And it's see-through to the side, so you can actually see the Fly River right there. It's a nice 500 gallons. I'm gonna turn these lights on. Bam, baby! And now I structured this exactly for this moment right here, to bring these African cichlids back here. Our whole goal is to breed these cichlids. We want a bunch of them. We can spread them throughout the farm, give some back to Blake in return, whatever it may be, right? They're gonna breed a lot. We have some rocks right here that go around the pump, and we also have a bunch of big rocks along the back. And if you have structure and you got African cichlids, you know they're gonna breed. It's officially time to start putting our cichlids in. As they acclimate slowly, we're gonna slowly put one by one in here. We'll start off with the biggest one, this giant cichlid right there. Look how pretty. The little orange dots on the tail. Very, very pretty fish. Let's grab the second largest one. That's a really lit up blue one. There he goes, straight to the rocks. Oh, goodbye. Yep, they're all gonna go to the structure. But here in just a little bit, which we will show, a couple hours from now, they'll be out schooling around. Let's do an orange. We got an orange one. Oh yeah, check him out. Going right to the Fly River. He's like, wait, what is that? Next one. Ooh, double. Double. Bam. Boom. Look at him, swimming around. Another double. These are some really, really pretty cichlids, and our whole goal is to start breeding them, of course. So although a lot of them are blue right now, a lot of them will eventually breed very colorful babies. Look at them all. That see-through pond is coming in handy right now. That is awesome right there. Well, that was a good scoop. I got three. Four, I got four. Look at them all, those little babies. Beautiful colors. Some blue cichlids. Another two. Just look how pretty. They got the orange gill, that blue head. Such pretty, pretty fish. Look at them all right here. Oh, that is sick. And they're just so lit up, like all of them. Holy, yeah, oh, yeah. There you go, Speedy. Fly River is kind of just walking around the aquarium, kind of wondering what the heck's going on, where all his new friends are coming from. All right, the grand finale. We need you to name this beautiful specimen right here. Name this beautiful specimen in the comments down below. There he goes. Our cichlids are officially into the 500-gallon see-through Fly River tank pond. I'll see you in just a couple hours when all these fish get a little bit more comfortable. We're gonna turn this light off and let them just relax, just like I'm about to on this couch. It's honestly so cool watching all the different fish swim around. It looks like you're just looking, you know, into a fish tank, but it's a pond. Look at all these fish. They're everywhere. I didn't even count how many we put in. You can see the Fly River right there. But you guys tell me how many we've got. They are so, so pretty. And they're just loving life. They're enjoying themselves. You can see them all in the back too. What a pretty, pretty pond, huh? That just came out amazing. The smell of Texas. We're back. We are at Brenton's house. Gary! I didn't know you flew all the way to Texas. That's Bobby. That's actually the same exact animal as Gary. Hello, everyone. It's great to see these animals. We switched up the enclosure. It's actually a little bit different. As you saw, the cichlids looked amazing inside the see-through 500-gallon pond. I couldn't be happier with the way this video actually came out. The whole entire thing was so much fun to film. I love going over to Blake's house, seeing everything that he's got going on over there. And now we're here in Texas to make some epic videos the next few days. Be on the lookout for some great, great stuff. I already had filmed one of them that's going live next, and it's a banger. Subscribe down below, smash the like button for me. You can check out the merch. Top link in the description, PuckFarrowBrand.com. Got a bunch of new stuff on the site, as always, even hats. And I hope to see you right back here in the very next video. Say bye! Oh! I miss Gary. I miss Gary. We need a new Gary. Oh my goodness. Love you. Peace.